Hi, this is Linda Noss, and this is Swing number 9. Now that we've made our menu bar with a file and then an edit underneath, let's add a few more menu bar items. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a menu bar. We have an exit right here, and then we're going to add a few more. So J menu item, and we're going to call it news F equals new J menu item. Call that port. And I'm going to create another one. This is very similar, so I'm going to go ahead and copy and paste this. I'm going to make one more. Okay, so I'm going to make these into a submenu. So in order to make a submenu, I have to create another menu item. So here I have a file. I'm going to create another one called import. So that's a J menu. Import equals new J menu. And I'm going to say and then I'm going to put a shortcut key on that to imp dot set there's no U here. So let's make sure we have that all set to go. And compile that. So far so good. So we've got another menu item here. Now we can put that up at the top under file. We can have file at one place and then import another. But what I want to do is I want to put the import as a sub menu under the file menu. So first thing we're going to do is I'm going to build my import menu because it's going to be a sub menu. So now that I've created these three things here, I'm going to go ahead and add those three things onto my import menu. So I'm just going to say imp. Then I'm going to do the same thing for the other two. So now I've added these three menu items onto the menu imp. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to have a few other J menu items. So I'm just going to go ahead and grab one of these. And I'm going to call the first one file new. And it's going to say and the next one is going to be file open. And it's just going to say open. So I got a few more in there. And then I'm going to do another one that's save, because those are typical menu items. Okay. And then what I'm going to do with these is I'm going to add them to my file menu. So I'm just going to say down here, file.add. Now the order that they're going to come up on the list is the order in which I add them. So if I want my new to come up first, I would have to do that one first. And then I'm going to new, open, save. So here I do this. And this would be save. And then after that I want a little separator, which is like a little line. So I'm just going to say file dot add separator. That puts a little line there, separating them. And then I'm going to do, and then I want to add on my submenu. My submenu is called imp, so I'm going to go ahead and add that on. So here's after my separator, I'm going to add on file dot add imp. And I'm going to put another separator in there. And then my exit menu is going to be at the bottom. So let's just see what that gives us now when we compile. Oh, I forgot something up here. And then when I do this, click OK. I'm going to click on File. You'll see here's the separators, and here's the import menu that gives me my submenus. So that's basically how you make a submenu. If you want to put a picture on each one, you go back and find pictures for each one of these ones. I would have to resize them. This is a little bit too big. But basically that's what it looks like. So that's going to be it for this video, and we'll see you next time.